Hi guys.
Oh my god!
Hi guys. For today's video, I have a new apron. Whee! So sexy. So sexy. Manifesting. Operation, surgery, miracle. Today for dinner, I'm going to be making fried chicken and mashed potatoes. I'll be linking the apron that I got from Shein at the end of the video. You guys, today I have a helper.
Girl, get your girl. Who the fuck is on my phone? You dirty as fuck.
You know, I use this seasoning for the chicken. Heavy cream, 2 eggs, salt, and pepper. So I got my oil at 350. Tonight I'm doing chicken strips. Yummy. Some salt, black pepper, 6 tablespoons of butter, and mash. So like that. Don't mind me, I'm just really hot. So I'm just sitting here in my bathing suit. Anyways, my plate.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
My hubby helped me. This is the chicken.
Oh my god.
Crunchy on the outside, tender on the inside. My mashed potatoes. Just like KFC. And my corn. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.